this example, we're given a polynomial 13 x to the 5th, y to the 4th, plus 10 x cubed, y squared, minus 8 x squared, y to the 5th, minus 2 xy cubed, plus 4. We're asked to give the degree of each term. So remember that the degree is always going to be the exponents in that term added together. So because x has an exponent of 5 and y has an exponent of 4, the degree of this term will be 9. Now, on this one, we do 3 plus 2. The degree of this term is 5. This one is 5 plus 2, so we have 7. This one is 3, and this one has an invisible 1 on it, even though you can't see it, so you need to make sure you do 3 plus 1 is 4. Now this one doesn't have a variable on it at all, so our degree for that one is 0. Now we're asked to write the polynomial in descending order. Now descending order means that you have to have the term with the highest degree first, and the second highest, and then the third highest, and so on. So the term with the highest degree has a degree of 9, and that's the first one, so we write that. And then we have a degree of 7, which is this one, so we write that one second. Then we have a degree of 5, so that one goes next. Then we have a degree of 4. And then our constant. Now we have to give the degree of the polynomial. So even though these are the degrees of each term, so these are the degrees of the term, the degree of the polynomial itself is always the highest degree. So the degree of this polynomial is 9, because the highest degree of all of them is 9. Now it says, what is the coefficient of the third term? The third term is this one, because this is the third one separated by a plus or minus. And the coefficient is always the number right in front of the variables. So the coefficient of the third term is 10 without the variables. Now it says, what is the lead coefficient? The lead coefficient is the coefficient on the first term. So because this is the first term, our lead coefficient is 13, because the coefficient on the first term is 13. So these are our answers.